Today I'm at Trader Joe's. A little while ago, I bought their marinated Korean short ribs for the first time. And honestly, I was surprised by how much better it tastes than I expected. It was already marinated, so all I had to do was cook them, almost like a homemade Korean Galbi. So today, I picked up the LA Galbi, kimchi, and a sweet onion. The tour came to $19.97, which was enough for 2 people to enjoy. Today, I will show you how to put together a simple Korean barbecue dinner at home using ingredients from Trader Joe's. Let's get started. The LA Galbi I'm using today is frozen. For the best results, let it sit in the refrigerator overnight before cooking. Mine had already started to defrost while I was out shopping, so I just let it sit at room temperature for a little longer. While we wait, let's make a simple onion side dish that goes perfectly with Korean barbecue. This type of pickled onion is commonly served with Korean barbecue. Thinly slice half a sweet onion and soak it in cold water for about 10 minutes to make the flavor a little milder. Now let's make the dressing. Combine 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and half tablespoon of sugar. If you like, you can also add about a 1/4 teaspoon of wasabi or Korean mustard for a little extra kick. Then mix well. Drain the onions, pour the dressing over them. Now let's cook the LA Galbi. Since it's already marinated, there's no need to season it again, which makes it quick and convenient to prepare. Heat a pan over medium heat, then cook the galbi for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until nicely browned. Once it's cooked, cut it into bite-sized pieces. When the sauce has coated the meat well and most of the sauce has reduced, it's ready. The sweet and savory marinade caramelizes beautifully, making the galbi even more delicious. Now let's prepare our Korean barbecue table. Korean barbecue is usually enjoyed with plenty of fresh vegetables as well as the meat. Today I'm serving romaine lettuce, cucumber, carrot, and bell peppers. I also prepared the ssamjang, a traditional Korean fermented dipping sauce that pairs perfectly with a grilled meal. I'm also serving the kimchi from Trader Joe's. If you don't have a homemade kimchi, it's a good option. I also like to serve a 1 bowl of doenjang jjigae with a Korean barbecue. Stuffed steamed eggs are another popular Korean barbecue side dish. At many Korean barbecue restaurants, people often finish their meal with a doenjang jjigae and rice, or a bowl of cold noodles. Today, I'm enjoying a simple Korean barbecue meal at home. Place a piece of lettuce in your hand, a piece of galbi, some sweet and tangy pickled onion, and a little ssamjang. Wrap it up and enjoy it in one bite. Serve it with kimchi, which is a staple on the Korean table, and a warm bowl of doenjang jjigae for a hearty and satisfying meal. One of the best things about Korean barbecue is enjoying with a variety of side dishes. I hope you will give it a try at home. If you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.